Nice and refreshing salad bar on a warm day. Girls, you want some? Stella, there's more over there. Don't be a pig. You gotta share some with Tulip.